Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install configure MySQL Server 8.0.46 on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the version 8.0.46. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the Ubuntu Linux 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 489 megabytes and it is star file. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.46. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. Now we have to enter the star file, tar-exec, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now we have to install these Debian packages. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install libaio -dev macapp -ipadic -utf8. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Okay. Now ls install these packages. Sudo dpkg -i start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.46. Now we have to set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. Use the tab and come to OK and hit enter. Now we have to select the default authentication plugin, either strong password encryption or legacy one, whatever one you can select, but first one is the recommended. It is up to you. Then come to OK and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is installed and its service is active and running and enabled. Okay, Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. Command is MySQL -u means username, root -p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.0.46 on Ubuntu 24.04. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Now if we list of databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database. Verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now if we list of the tables of this database, show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so now create table. See, we have created a table. Customer, let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but you can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See, you have created a user. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u, username is David -p. Hit enter. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Here this is the password, so enter the same. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.46, the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges for this user on this database. Okay, exit. Until now we have connected MySQL Server with the user. Until now we have connected MySQL Server from the MySQL command line. We can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench and DBA. Those are the most popular tools. If you haven't, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, before connecting MySQL from the DBA, I will show you how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.46 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is stopped 5 seconds ago. If you want to, we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Now verify. See, MySQL Server is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Now verify. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Control it. Now we will connect from the my DBA. Close this one, close it. Now connect MySQL Server from the DBA by clicking on this database and select new database connection, or just click on this plugin button. Either is same. Then select MySQL, then click on next. MySQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. Port number 3306. We have the database bank. We have the user root. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on text connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.46. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. If you want to run queries against this database, right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. We have the table customer. Select star from customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, if you want to create database, right click on databases, create new database, then provide the name of the database. See, new database is there. If you want to create users, the same way, right click, then create new user. Okay, so we have successfully installed and configured MySQL Server and connected. Else these files are not required anymore, so I am deleting them to clear the space. rm start.def, this command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Else remove this one also. Yes, else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.46 on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. Okay, then we have connected MySQL from the MySQL command line and DBA. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.